Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mirrorless back again with another video. Please subscribe. Let's talk about Lumix. And I don't talk about that brand a lot. The only Lumix camera that I have is probably a point and shoot camera. There is just no big market here in South Africa. I don't even know of any Lumix shooter. Uh, However, that brand has been making the rounds a lot. So I'm going to give it its props because what I've been seeing online, a lot of people are actually switching as well to Lumix. I know Dave Stallman, I think that's the guy who does really amazing videos, reviews, and very clean on everything that he does. He does shoot Lumix now full time, and I've been very impressed with his work a lot because he's done some really amazing stuff with it, and he's fully hybrid shooter now. There's also Nigel Barros, who's also another YouTuber who have been shooting with the Lumix GX3, GH3 up to the 5. Then he's now shooting, I think, full frame, unless he has gone back to his budget stuff. But it's a brand that actually outside of South Africa, I think overseas in other countries where you can get it for cheap, it does offer a better value than any other the other brands in the market. We always speak about what is it, the shutter roller. So yeah, that's very nitpicky of people that really do like sport and stuff, because the camera roller, the shutter roller is very better on the camera apparently. But I personally feel like for any average content creator, Lumix is probably one of the best brand, because they also have the L mount alliance, which allows them to have Sigma lenses in L series, and I see that they have a lot of other third-party manufacturer that do make lenses for them cheap and available as well. Not like Canon, who's still struggling with third-party manufacturer lenses. So which is something that's very also important to consider when you go into like a camera ecosystem, because a lot of the Chinese manufacturer now, I do think they have good enough lenses that can do professional work as well. So that's some of the pros of the Lumix lineup. I'm just a little bit very disgruntled about the brand because they don't really have such a big presence in South Africa. So I can't test the lens, I can't test the cameras, I can't test anything about the camera. But it will really be a camera that I would be interested in the reviewing in the near future if I have the ability or the opportunity to get my hands on one of it. Definitely, that's something that I have put in my wish list for this year. Yeah, so that's pretty much just what I wanted to talk about Lumix a little bit, because it's becoming a little super intriguing as a camera brand, because they are growing in popularity as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe.